Hello my friends, welcome back to my estate video. So for those of you that don't know what FINBOLD is, it's a financial reporting website where they talk about cryptocurrencies, real estate investment and all of that, right? So estate has made headlines 2 weeks ago. Although this video is coming a little bit late to you guys, but this happened 2 weeks ago and they are in the FINBOLD website right now. But before I go into that, I just want to let you know that estate is now redefining the global real estate investment through blockchain powered tokenization, delivering transparency, liquidity, and borderless access to real assets. So they are going to be scaling up the real estate in 2026, just so you know, bringing the ability for every single individual to purchase a fraction of real estate worldwide. So this is a global movement, guys. This is a global expansion strategy that they are trying to implement here. So this is the website of FINBOLD. So if you don't know about FINBOLD, just go to your browser and type in finbold.com. This will open. As you can see, this is a finance and crypto platform. And what they do is they deliver the latest crypto and finance news, comprehensive guides, and state-of-the-art features to empower your informed financial decision making. So, estate made headlines here, and this is what they wrote about estate. They said estate is set to scale real estate tokenization globally. So, if you have not joined estate yet, you are missing out. That is the point I'm trying to make, right? Because the company is going global now. It's going global. Do you know what that means? That's a lot of impact that is going to make. And you can spend some time reading everything they've said here, okay? That this year, 2026, estate is going to be expanding massively. And what that means is if you become a member today, you are going to benefit from that expansion. Okay? So don't sit on the fence. That is the point I am trying to make here. Do not sit on the fence on this platform because we are going to be maximizing every single processes involved in estate for making passive income, right? So if you don't want to miss out on this, the link to do so is below this video description. If you would like to join and become part of this global movement in the fractional tokenized real estate blockchain verified properties, this is where you have to be, guys. So I am going to sign off this video just now, and I will be expecting you to join with the link below this video description if you wish to do so. We are earning between 0.3 to 1% on a daily basis, right? And the earnings from this fractional real estate is between Mondays and Fridays. Okay, there is no profit for Saturdays, there is no profit for Sundays. It's only Mondays to Fridays. And you will earn between 0.3 to 1% on a daily basis if you wish to invest in this platform and begin to make some good money, right? Because you have to actually be in the platform for you to make good money. I just thought I should let you guys know about these headlines that estate has made on FINBOLD last 2 weeks, right? So thank you and God bless.